Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about AI model, which is artificial intelligence. Before we get into AI model, we need to understand the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. And then we will discuss in detail about the AI model. Artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning, and deep learning are different techniques to analyze the data. The first one is artificial intelligence. AI uses logic, if-then rules, or decision trees. The second one is machine learning. These techniques enable machines to improve at a task with the experience. It has three types. One is supervised. It means task driven or follow the instructions. Second one is unsupervised, data driven or learn from the data. The third one is reinforcement. It means learn from errors or learn from experience. The third one is deep learning. These techniques allow to train itself to perform some task. For example, image, video, or voice analysis. Overall, artificial intelligence uses business rules. Machine learning and deep learning uses computer vision. Let us take a look at what is AI model. AI model that are designed to optimize or automate our business processes. AI Builder is a tool to build AI models. As shows this diagram, the process is to send input to the model and we get output in some form based on the model. To build an AI model, we have to follow few steps. The first one is identify the requirement. The second one is choose the right model. We have 5 types of AI models available. We'll be discussing this in the later slide. The next one is prepare the model. For example, we assume our use case or business requirement is to process passports to get a basic information like passport number or expiry date. Then we need to collect passport samples. Next, we need to train the model. We will be having a demo in upcoming videos to see how to train the model. The next one is test and optimize. Then final step is publish and consume it on the applications. I can say that accuracy based on how many documents and what type of documents that we trained, like JPEG or PDF, and in different resolutions. We have 5 types of AI model. Let us review each one of them. Form processing, object detection, entity extraction, category classification, and prediction. The first one is form processing. This model identifies the structure of our documents based on our example that we provide or trained to extract text from any matching form. On this example, we have 5 data attributes to collect from passport, such as passport number, date of birth, issue date, expiry date, and place of birth. This image shows how we trained. Microsoft recommends minimum 5 documents to train, but better to train the model with more documents. And the use case is basically using your form processing, we can process invoice, passport, driving license, or tax forms. The next one is object detection. This model helps to count, locate, and identify the selected objects within any image. We can use this model in Power Apps to extract information from pictures that we take with a camera. Microsoft recommends more than 50 images per object, but more than 50 is better. We can get the better results. We can tag 2 objects in the same image. Images should be JPEG, PNG, or BMP file, and then size should be less than 6 MB each. The next one is entity extraction. So this model recognizes specific data from text based on our business needs. This model helps to transform unstructured data to structured data. For example, when we receive email, model extract the information and store as a separate metadata. The next one is category classification. This is classifies the text into categories. For example, sentiment analysis, spam detection, customer request routing. We can use it on a Canvas app or Power Automate. On this example, we are showing the top one is Canvas app, the down one is Power Automate. We need more than 10 text entries of each tag to train it. The last one is prediction. It predicts based on the historic data that we provided. This model predicts the future outcomes. It has three types from two available options, that's a binary, or multiple possible outcomes, or where the answer is a number. Microsoft recommends more than 50 rows of data in Dataverse to train. And then it has two classes. So Microsoft has a pre-built model that we can use it, or we can custom build. Let us see where to build. To build AI model, we need AI Builder. And then AI Builder is part of the Power Platform. And the model is stored in Dataverse. Previously it's called Common Data Service. On the other hand, machine learning, it's part of the Azure services. So we have to go to portal.azure.com. So open the browser and go to make.powerapps.com. And then select the correct environment. On the left navigation side, we can see AI Builder, the build and models. When you click on the build, the top one, you have a 5 AI model types we can custom build. Category classification, entity, form processing, object detection, prediction. The top one basically it's called productivity pack. So it's pre-built by Microsoft, we can use as it is. And when you click on the models, this is all the models basically we trained it, and then we can use it on a Canvas app or Power Automate. The second one is Azure Machine Learning. So we have to go to the Azure services and then click on Machine Learning. And you see here is I have a one machine learning space, and then we can have a more than a one, and then we can able to train it, and then we can same steps. We need to feed the data and then train, and then we can use it. In the next video, we will be discussing AI model form processing with demo. Thanks for watching. Write your comments down below. Have a great day.